Okay, now we look at on the application of Venn diagram. So let's say we have this kind of scenario. So we have a total of 130 students who play sports, and we can see here 45 play football, 60 play tennis, 25 play both. Okay, so when we say that 45 play football, you cannot assume that the 45 did not play tennis, right? So they might play tennis also, right? Okay, so in this question, so we have you need to solve these two questions. So the first one, you need to write all the information in a Venn diagram, and then how many students did not play any sport, right? So we can see that we have two category of data, play football and tennis. So that's why we have two circles here, right? So the first circle can represent the football, and the second circle, the first circle represent the football, and the second circle represent tennis, right? So we can write the notation. F represent football and T to represent the tennis, right? So we have this information. Okay, first of all, you look at on the information that play both football and tennis 25. So that is the intersection, the element for the intersection. Okay, when we say that 45 play football, so it means that the whole circle, including 25, are 45. So that's why, in order for you to find football only, so 45 minus 20. So that's why we have only 20 students play football. Okay, the same things go for the tennis. So we have 60. So 60 is the whole circle, right? The whole circle that play tennis. So in order to find the student who play tennis only, right? So it means that this area. So 60 minus 25. So we get 35. Okay. And then what are the other information that we need to find? Okay, we have a total of 130. So that might be some of the students did not play any of football or tennis, right? Did not play any of these two. So that's why we have the outside. So it means that the area where the student did not play any sport. So 130 minus 20. 25 and 35. So that's where we have 50 students who did not play any sport of football or tennis, right? So okay, so in order to answer for A, so this should be your answer to represent A. And then for B, how many students did not play any of the sports? So this is the calculation, right? Where we know that from this calculation, 50 students did not play any sport.